Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we are totally decoding the fascinating physiological and psychological benefits of intentional massage therapy. We're going to look at exactly how it acts as a literal reset button for your body. So if you've ever felt like you're just, dragging yourself through the week, you're going to want to pay close attention to the science we're about to unpack.
Let's start by asking a very real question. What if you actually stopped ignoring that constant background noise of physical discomfort? Take a second to really reflect on the daily aches and pains we all just kind of learned to tolerate over time. From walking miles on rock-hard floors to sitting rigidly in high-pressure offices, we usually just push through it, right? But the thing is, your body is keeping a meticulous record of every single bit of it.
Okay, so here is our structured journey for today. We'll start with the toll of modern stress, move into the science of healing touch, compare empathy versus autopilot, explore finding your specific modality, and finally look at sustaining your wellness.
Let's jump right into Section 1, the toll of modern stress, focusing specifically on the unique demands of the Las Vegas lifestyle.
Whether you live in a booming city like Vegas, maybe you're just visiting for conventions, or you just exist in any fast-paced environment, demanding surroundings absolutely drain your physical reserves. I mean, think about it. Exceptionally dry desert air literally dehydrates your muscle fascia, which makes your tissues way less pliable and much more prone to injury. Add in a 24-hour pace that completely wrecks your natural circadian rhythms, miles of walking on totally unforgiving concrete floors, and just constant intense sensory input, it is basically a perfect recipe for systemic inflammation.
So how do we fix it? That brings us to Section 2, the science of healing touch, and how we actually shift out of that stressed physiological state.
Professional massage therapy is a scientifically grounded practice. It is definitely not just a routine rubdown. It actually triggers this remarkable biological chain reaction. First, intentional pressure is applied to the muscle. This prompts receptors right under your skin to send rapid-fire signals to your brain, which forces your parasympathetic nervous system, that's your body's rest and digest mode, to engage. The result? Your stress hormone, cortisol, drops, your heart rate lowers, and your blood pressure goes down. You're literally forcing a biological reset.
And the real secret to this reset comes down to mechanoreceptors. Seriously, this isn't magic. It's precise physical manipulation acting directly on these specialized sensory receptors beneath your skin. By targeting them, a practitioner can fundamentally alter your physiological state. It's essentially an anatomical override switch for your stress. How cool is that? But science needs a human element, right? Moving to Section 3, empathy versus autopilot. This is all about the art of active listening in bodywork. We've probably all had that massage where the practitioner is clearly running on routine autopilot. It feels rushed, super mechanical, and relies on these rigid, pre-memorized routines that have absolutely nothing to do with what you actually need that day. But intentional care? That is completely different. It's dynamic and adapts in real time. A dedicated practitioner continuously monitors how your tissue is responding. If a muscle feels inflamed, they intuitively back off or adjust. They are literally listening to your body with their hands. Because of this, we really need to dispel the no pain, no gain myth when it comes to bodywork once and for all. As our sources explicitly highlight, causing pain does not equal progress. True intentional care doesn't force your body into submission. Instead, it gently coaxes those muscles into relaxation through immense patience and precise anatomical targeting. And this is exactly why empathy acts as a direct catalyst for physical healing. When you feel psychologically safe and understood, your body naturally lowers its physical defenses. Muscle tissue that would normally tighten up and resist deep pressure actually begins to soften and yield. This physiological yielding is the golden ticket. It's what allows the practitioner to access those deeper layers of fascia and safely release tension you've been holding onto for years. Okay, let's get specific in Section 4, finding your specific modality, where we bridge the generational gap in wellness. A truly knowledgeable practitioner is going to conduct a thorough intake before you ever even get on the table. Why? Because wellness has a massive generational gap. Think about it. The needs of a 25-year-old athlete dealing with an acute sports strain are fundamentally different from a 72-year-old retiree managing chronic osteoarthritis. One needs aggressive recovery and deep tissue mobilization. The other needs gentle joint mobility and stimulated circulation. The treatment absolutely must be tailored entirely to you. And there's a whole menu of methodologies designed to target specific conditions for maximum relief.
Say you're a high-stress professional navigating intense corporate demands, a somatic nervous system modality using slow rhythmic pressure is going to be your go-to for dropping that cortisol. On the flip side, if you're dealing with athletic strain, deep muscular relief targets that specific scar tissue. It's all about perfectly matching the methodology to your exact health profile.
This builds perfectly into one of the most fascinating modalities out there, traditional Thai massage. It breaks literally all the rules of standard Western massage. First off, it's performed fully clothed on a floor mat. The practitioner actually leverages their own body weight to give you this incredibly deep physical restoration. It combines yoga-like assisted stretching with localized acupressure instead of those standard gliding strokes. It's highly dynamic, and it's a huge favorite among active adults because it rapidly flushes metabolic waste and massively improves joint mobility.
So, how do we keep all these great benefits going? Section 5, Sustaining Your Wellness.
Achieving lasting wellness means you've got to do a little post-session homework. The incredible work done on the massage table has to be supported by your daily habits. You absolutely need to increase your water intake to flush out the metabolic waste that was just released. Try to incorporate some daily stretches, make a few simple ergonomic adjustments at your desk, and maybe practice breathing exercises to manage your daily stress. And crucially, you need to schedule maintenance sessions every 3 to 4 weeks to keep that tension permanently at bay.
When you actively participate in your own recovery through these habits, you completely change the dynamic. You're transforming what might feel like an occasional luxury into an integral, permanent component of a preventative healthcare routine. The therapeutic relationship actually becomes a true collaborative partnership. You're no longer just having something done to you, you're actively healing yourself.
I'm going to leave you with this final thought to chew on as we wrap up this explainer. Are you ready to transition from being a passive recipient of a service to an active participant in your holistic health journey? Think back to the very beginning. When are you going to stop ignoring that background noise of discomfort and finally prioritize your physiological reset? The science is incredibly clear, the tailored modalities are out there waiting for you, and the choice is entirely yours. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer, and I really hope you feel empowered to go out and take control of your wellness.